Have you ever wondered why businesses produce more of a product when the price goes up? Let's break down the law of supply. Supply refers to the total amount of a specific good or service that is available to consumers at a given price point. The core rule is simple. When prices increase, businesses are incentivized to produce more of that item. Several factors influence how much a company can produce, including the cost of materials and the efficiency of their technology. While supply looks at the producer's side of the equation, demand focuses on what consumers are willing to purchase. This chart shows how quantity increases as the price rises, which is the classic behavior we see in competitive markets. Remember that price acts as a signal, helping businesses decide how to allocate their resources efficiently. Understanding the law of supply helps you see the bigger picture of how markets work. Thanks for watching and stay curious.